Hello, so in today's class, I'll explain the problem which I have given in the last session. So this was on reducing the given equation to canonical form. So we have seen the case of parabola. So how to, when you are given a general second degree equation, how do we obtain a parabola from that? Okay, so this is an example where you are getting a parabola. So the equation is 9x square minus 24xy plus 16y square minus 18x minus 101y plus 19 equal to 0. So you have a equal to 9. So 2h is minus 24 up h in the value minus 12 varum. B will be 16 and 2g is minus 18 up g in the value minus 9 varum. Then 2f is minus 101, so f will be minus 101 by 2 varum and c is equal to 90. Now for parabola, so delta is the determinant, ah, g, then you have hb, f, then g, f, c. So delta is this determinant and d is h square minus ab. So we must have delta not equal to 0 and d must be equal to 0 for parabola. Okay, so here d will be ab minus h square. ab minus h square and so that will be 9 into 16 minus 12 whole square. So for parabola, delta must be not equal to 0 and d must be equal to 0. So here the given second order equation that will represent a parabola. And now we need to use the transformation. അപ്പം നമ്മുടെ transformation എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് x നും y ക്കും transformation കൊടുക്കണം. So we are rotating through an angle theta. Now when you rotate through the angle theta, we will use a substitution. So the substitution is x equal to x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta, and y will be equal to x dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta. Now once you use this transformation, for x നും y ക്കും ഈ values substitute ചെയ്യുക. So this will be the form of equation. അപ്പോൾ 9x square minus 24 x ൻ്റെയും y യുടെയും terms substitute ചെയ്യുക plus 16y square minus 18x minus 101y plus 19 equal to 0. Now we will simplify this equation in the form a x dash square plus 2h x dash y dash plus b y dash square plus 2g x dash plus 2f y dash plus c equal to 0. അപ്പം ഇവിടെ a, h, b, g and f അതിൻ്റെ വാല്യൂസ് മാറും. അതിൻ്റെ വാല്യൂസ് cos തീറ്റയുടെയും sin തീറ്റയുടെയും ടേംസ് വരും. c will remain the same. ഇനി അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ഇങ്ങനെ കിട്ടും 9 cos square theta minus 24 sin theta cos theta plus 16 sin square theta, that's the coefficient of x dash square, then minus 2 12 cos square theta minus sin square theta minus 7 sin theta cos theta into x dash y dash, then plus 16 cos square theta plus 24 sin theta cos theta plus 9 sin square theta y dash square minus 18 cos theta plus 101 sin theta x dash, then plus 18 sin theta minus 101 cos theta y dash plus 19. Now when you reduce to the canonical form, it will not contain x dash y dash. അപ്പോൾ we will find theta such that the coefficient of x dash y dash is equal to 0. അപ്പം ഈ ടേം 0 ആവുന്നത് പോലെയാണ് നമ്മൾ തീറ്റ ചൂസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. ഇനി when this term becomes 0, you will get 12 cos square theta minus sin square theta minus 7 sin theta cos theta equal to 0. So, dividing throughout by cos square theta, we will get, we will be getting 12 cos square theta which divide ചെയ്യാം. അപ്പോൾ 1 minus tan square theta minus 7. So 1 cos theta will cancel up. So sin theta by cos theta varum. So that will be tan theta equal to 0. So multiplying by minus sign on both sides, you will get 12 tan square theta plus 7 tan theta minus 12 equal to 0. Ni solving for tan theta, take x equal to tan theta and solve here. So use the formula. So tan theta will be minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So upon solving, you will get tan theta equal to 3 by 4 and minus 4 by 3. Now we have taken theta to be the acute angle. Appo acute angle kittanengil tan theta must be 3 by 4. Now if tan theta is equal to 3 by 4, so we will get sin theta equal to 3 by 5 and cos theta equal to 4 by 5. So if this is a by b, then if you take a by root of a square plus b square, that will be the value of sin theta, and b by root of a square plus b square, that will give the value of cos theta. For sin theta value 3 by 5 varum, cos theta value 4 by 5 varum. Now here we have obtained the value of sin theta and cos theta. അപ്പോൾ ഇനിയും നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യേണ്ടതാണ്. Okay, so this term is now 0. Now here substitute the value of sin theta and cos theta. But 3 into 4 by 5 varum minus 4 into 3 by 5 whole square. Then here 4 into 4 by 5 plus 3 into 3 by 5. Then minus 18 into 4 by 5 plus 101 into 3 by 5 varum plus 18 into 3 by 5 minus 101 4 by 5 y dash plus 19 equal to 0. So upon simplifying, first term 3 into 4 by 5 minus 4 into 3 by 5. This coefficient 0 out. Okay. X dash square and the coefficient 0 out. So this term completely 0 out. Ivida already 0 ana. So here you will get 4 into 16 plus 9. So 25 by 25. So that will be 1 varum 1 y dash square. Then here you will get 18 into so substituting the value of sin theta and cos theta, we will get the equation in the form of x dash square and the coefficient is 0 out. Then y dash square and the coefficient you will get 25. For x dash you will get minus 75, y dash minus 70 varum. Then the constant term will remain the same. Now here you have y dash square and y dash. So complete the perfect square in y dash. Okay. So dividing throughout by 25, you will get y dash square minus 3x dash minus 14 by 5 y dash plus 19 by 25 equal to 0. So you have in the form y dash square minus 2ab form. So you will have 2 into 7 by 5 y dash. Add and subtract 49 by 25. So I have added 49 by 25, then subtracting 49 by 25 here. So the square complete chamber, you will get y dash plus minus 7 by 5 whole square. Then minus 3x dash minus 30 by 25. So upon simplifying, you will get y dash minus 7 by 5 whole square equal to 3 times x dash plus 2 by 5. So this is in the form of a parabola, and now we need to reduce to the standard form of the parabola. So y square equal to 4ax formula aanu namukku konduvarendadu. So for that, now we need to shift the center to the origin. So that will give the parabola as, so changing the origin to minus 2 by 5, 7 by 5, for x dash plus 2 by 5 minus 2 by 5 varum, അതുപോലെ ഇവിടെ y dash minus 7 by 5 plus 7 by 5 varum. So upon doing that, you will get the equation in the form y double dash square equal to 3x dash. So this is the required canonical form, and this canonical form is obtained when you are rotating the parabola at an angle of tan inverse 3 by 4. So as shown in the figure, theta is tan inverse of 3 by 4 and the vertex is at minus 2 by 5 and 7 by 5. So you had an original parabola of the form y double dash square equal to 3x double dash. Appo aa parabola inna namukku nammade original parabola kittanengil, so this is centered at the origin. So the origin is shifted to minus 2 by 5, 7 by 5, and then it is rotated by an angle of tan inverse 3 by 4. So when you do this, we are getting the initial second degree equation. So this is how we reduce the given equation to canonical form when it is parabola. ഇനി നമ്മൾ എല്ലാ പ്രോബ്ലം ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഇത്രയും സിമ്പിൾ ആയിരിക്കില്ല. അപ്പോൾ അതിൻ്റെ റീസൺ ഇതാണ്, നമ്മളിവിടെ ടാൻ തീറ്റ എടുത്തപ്പം നമുക്ക് 3 by 4 we got a nice value. So that is not ഇപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് സ്ക്വയർ റൂട്ടോ ഒന്നും വരുന്നില്ല when you solve for this quadratic equation. അപ്പോൾ ഇത് ഈസിയർ വാല്യൂ ആയതുകൊണ്ട് നമ്മുടെ ഇക്വേഷൻ ഒരു സിമിലർ ഫോമിൽ വരും. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് എപ്പോഴും ഡയറക്റ്റ്ലി ഈ മെത്തേഡ് അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ എപ്പോഴും നമുക്ക് നൈസ് ഫോമിൽ കിട്ടണമെന്ന് നിർബന്ധമില്ല. സോ ഇറ്റ് ബിക്കംസ് കോംപ്ലിക്കേറ്റഡ് വെൻ യുവർ tan theta value that is another different number. അപ്പം ഇതൊരു സിമ്പിൾ ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ ആണ്, അപ്പോൾ അതിനനുസരിച്ച് അത് കോംപ്ലിക്കേറ്റഡ് ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ യൂഷ്വലി നമ്മൾ കാനോണിക്കൽ ഫോമിൽ റെഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ വി ഹാവ് ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് ടെക്നിക്സ് ഓൾസോ. ദർ ആർ ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് ഈസിയർ മെത്തേഡ്സ് ഫോർ ഫൈൻഡിങ് ദി കാനോണിക്കൽ ഫോം. അപ്പോൾ അത് ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് you are not learning it in your syllabus right now. So this is one technique of finding the canonical form by directly using the transformation x equal to x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta and y equal to x dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta.